Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Hope this finds you well. Just wanted to record a quick daily agenda for Friday, Viernes el 28 de agosto, or Monday, if you're my B-Day Spanish 2 students. Here's the agenda for today, guys. First, we're going to go over the homework that I assigned for you via the e-text. Now, I know several of you were experiencing challenges with the e-text, so today we're going to go over those exercises and discuss troubleshooting so that the e-text doesn't give you a hard time. But go over your responses and see how well you did. Then we're going to pop in here to the Para Empezar module, the same area where we were working before, and go over the present tense or regular verbs. I got a few videos to share with you guys in there. Also, for your homework, we're going to do conjugation bingo. You'll be filling out your bingo sheets and we'll be playing in class hopefully today and certainly next week. So if you want to dive in, can we get there directly? I guess you can get there directly from here. So after we go over the homework, we're going to go into the Para Empezar module, and that should take you right there. Sweet. So if you miss us and you're not able to make it to class today for whatever reason, please go over these notes. These notes talk about how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. This is a grammar concept that you guys went over last year in Spanish 1. So if you want a little bit of refresher of the key terms and concepts, the key terms there in bold, and the concepts of how to conjugate, you can click here. That'll pull up a PowerPoint presentation with notes, which you can add to your notes. And then this video really briefly goes over the steps. This is a really great video that I encourage you guys to take a look at for step-by-step how-to. Lastly, there's a really good music video that's catchy that I'll share with you guys. If you're having a hard time memorizing these endings up above here, this music video is really catchy and I think does the trick. So be sure to check that out as well. We're going to do one practice exercise out of the textbook, exercise 14 on page 9. We'll do that practice together as a class. And then again, the homework is your conjugation bingo card. Go ahead and click this link here and it will take you to the card. You guys can fill this out. And the instructions for how to fill out the bingo sheet are right here. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to replace bingo at the top with the subject pronouns in Spanish. So be would be yo, I would be tú, N would be ella, usted, etc. I'm not going to call out bingo. I'm going to call out yo, tú, ella, usted, etc. So once you have that amended on your sheet, then we're going to pick as a class 5 verbs. Regular verbs, AR, ER, and IR verbs. Jugar, hablar, dormir, leer, escribir, right? Then we're going to fill those in, our conjugation bingo card, by conjugating them in the form that each row represents. So I'm going to conjugate those 5 verbs that we choose. I'll write them here. Let's say I choose the verb hablar for right here. I could do hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablan. You don't want to write it all the way across. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablan. Because again, it's bingo. I'm probably not going to call all 5 of those, right? I'm going to switch it up. So hopefully it makes sense, but you're just going to fill it out. The 5 verbs that we choose in each of the 5 forms here that you filled out on your bingo sheet. You could even choose the 5 verbs from the meet and greet if you weren't with us in class today. And you can click there to refresh your memory on those questions. For this question here. And your responses are there too. Alright guys, so that's it. You'll take a picture of your bingo sheet and you'll upload it here as an assignment submission, and that is your homework for next class, guys. I hope to see you in the Zoom session. I hope you have a great weekend. Y hasta pronto. Ciao, muchachos.